Hi everyone, I'm so sorry that I cannot participate today, but I'm traveling and I just didn't want to use the phone. That doesn't make too much sense in such a celebration event. But I really would like to contribute to the discussion as well, the input to the questions Connie and Tamor are asking here. So please don't mind, I just recorded it and hope you will find a moment, you found a moment to listen to my thoughts as well. First question was what tangible value you gained from participating in the roadmap to revenue. Well, the one big thing I understood is that my clients and we want a return on investment. That means for me, I have developed goals as well as a set of KPIs which help me to really see it week by week. Where am I and how close am I getting to these goals? And by that, I develop more and more an understanding that I want to be paid and that it's totally okay to get paid for my services. So no doubt that was and is the best outcome I have from this course, beyond many others. On the second question, how did this experience supported me in clarity, confidence, and momentum? Well, with the Roadmap to Revenue course and my three coaches, Ellie, Will, and Paul Karadi, I reached a full level of confidence to start my product. My product is called Pet Solo. Don't need to talk about it now, and I'm marketing it on social media. The International Coaching Week event came just right perfectly into into the setup of everything because I used the opportunity to introduce Pet Solo there as well as to really set a concrete launch date for it. So I could use the ICW to make that public as well as then use other activities on social media to go back to them to promote the ICW event as well as my product. And that was really helpful as well as it put a bit of a time pressure on myself to really do it. And that is always helpful, at least for me, to get things done. Any shifts in mindset from working with your clients and promoting? Well, I thought when I started this, well, I just put everything on LinkedIn and then it will go. It doesn't. So promotion on social media needs lots of different activities. It starts with an SEO optimized website. People still think websites are not necessary. Yes, they are, because if someone is interested, he usually goes back to the website and starts his exploring of what is this all about much more. A professional profile and real good content on LinkedIn, as well as other activities by commenting on other posts, making advertisements, connecting with as much as people, follow others so that your awareness rate is really going up and the impressions LinkedIn is sending out is starting to kick in, as well as other media. I'm at this moment currently, I already have Instagram. We will set up Facebook and a YouTube channel, and potentially starting some podcasts because it was so inspiring what Angie shared with us in one of the last sessions. I actually started a freebie on LinkedIn. This is as well important to even attract the attention of people there. Many people do this and it kicks in, it starts to work on my side as well. On the other hand, I decided to engage, or I had the opportunity to engage with a digital marketing expert. We as coaches, we can't really be everything, and this business needs everything to happen, and if you all do this, then there's no time left for coaching. So I have decided to work with a digital marketing expert, and I have the chance, fortunately, that this lady wants to go for self-employment, and she wants to have coaching on how she could do that, what influences are there, how is she by herself, what are her strengths. So we decided, she works for me, I work for her. It's reciprocal, nobody pays, but we get both the benefit out of it. And the second learning from this course, because I just said, okay, I post things on LinkedIn and then it will go. And we learned that this doesn't work as expected. So networking is something which I'm now kicking into my business development plan. And it's totally different skills. I'm still learning how to really do that right. And I'm working with my current coaches here from the cohort, as well as others, to discuss this and to really figure out how can I grow, and which growth is actually necessary, and how can I define it, how can I build up actions in that one. Plus plus differentiation, to really get a attractive business happening. It might not be enough to offer coaching alone. And that is what I see what many other coaches are doing. So they are adding other topics to their setup, to their business. And I've started with two other ladies to build up a consultancy firm, which supports small to mid-sized companies in our region in respect to transformations. So the other two ladies have certain skills. I have certain skills even beyond the coaching, and therefore I'm engaging in that topic as well. So all as well coming out of this course, all the discussions we had and the sharings you you made, they all introduce thoughts, and they help us to build up our strategy, our way, what to do and how to get there. What would I say to someone who still considers to take the program? I would say, well, Guy, it's clearly worth it. It's because it's not a common sales class. It supports you to go very deep in your own thoughts and beliefs and strength in setting up a business and in selling. In earning money is a good thing. This is something we always looked at, because most of us, and that might be a characteristic of coaching or coaches, we hesitate to ask people for money, because it's about helping, and that usually limits our thoughts in towards charging for helping. That's a bit of contradiction, but if we are good and we want to be good and we are good, then of course it's worth it, and we need to get paid for it. The course beyond that still gives a lot of practical advices and insights. Starts with AI, how to use it, as well as social media, as well as networking, as well as the other experiences coming in. We had that great session with the guest speaker about our beliefs in making money. So that it goes really deep into ourselves and supports us in growing in this aspect of making a revenue. And that's at least what I want. So that was a real good course for me. Thank you very much. And I wish you a great session. Take care, and I will listen to the recording to hear what everybody else will say.